Hey guys, what's up? So we're gonna be making a mead again as usual. So we're gonna start with our setup. We've got a 2 liter jar, we've got some water, we've got some honey, we've got our yeast, and instead of fruits, I'm gonna be using jam. We've got this jam from Ethiopia here. It's a mulberry jam, and I absolutely just love this thing. I actually love this jam so much, I'm literally just gonna have some right here. Oh man, that is awesome. That's seriously awesome. Okay, so before we finish the jam, I'm gonna scoop it all inside here into the jar. We're gonna have to scoop it all out. This is some mighty good jam. We're gonna be mixing our yeast now with some water to activate it. I'm gonna be using 1 tablespoon of yeast for this one. I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit. I've actually gone for a honey without any added sugar here because I felt the jam already had plenty of sugar in it. So we just don't need any added sugar. So I've left about 2 to 4 centimeters of headroom. We're gonna add our yeast now. You can really see below there's the jam mixing with the honey, and the water is starting to become nice and brown. This is going to be a really good meal. So I've mixed it quite a bit, and it looks like a cola at this point. There's still plenty of jam pieces floating in there, but it should dissolve. Looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to be using plastic wrap. We're going to poke about 3 holes. We want all the carbon dioxide to escape, but we also don't want the meat to be oxygenated at the same time. So I guess 3 holes is enough. Look at this thing, man. It just looks beautiful at this point, don't you think? I mean, it really looks like a Coke Zero or something. I actually can't wait for this meal. There you have it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.